Tablet. Can I have that, please? This is too early for you. Later. But not now. Colors? Kanina umiiyak siya pagkagising ng umaga. Kagigising lang. Grabe na yung iyak niya. Hindi ko alam kung anong gusto. So, yan. Pinaglaro ko siya dyan. Hindi pa kami nakapag-breakfast. Yeah? What is that?
Green ball.
No, it's a green color, but it's not a ball. It's a green. Color green. Color blue, and then the green, the other one.
No.
Green and blue. Good morning! Dzień dobry! Witam na moim kanale in Polish Live Vlog. How are you guys doing today? I hope you're doing great. So for today's vlogs, we will having a shopping today, and then Raiden later around 2 p.m. meron siyang dentist dental check-up, something like that. And then yes, and then it's what is now? It's Sunday today. It's not nice weather actually. It's cold and it's cloudy. But it's okay. Like yesterday we went to the museum, and then it's really nice there, you know. So yeah, now my husband is cooking a breakfast. And now Raiden, kakatapos ko lang pinakain ko siya, sinubuan ko siya. And then, yes, mag-breakfast lang kami, and then mag-get ready. Magpunta kami ng shop, and then maglilinis din ako ng bahay today. Kasi nga, kailangan ko na maglinis ng bahay. General cleaning, like all. So yun, kahapon nag-cut ng grass si Mr. after nung pagbiyahe namin sa sa museum ng hapon, kasi maganda talaga yung weather kahapon, so nag-cut siya ng grass. Maganda na ulit ang aming garden. So yun, loves, mag-breakfast lang kami and get ready. Naglilinis na ako dito sa baba ulit. Galing na ako sa taas, kaya lang hindi ko na kayo nasama kasi si Raiden kasama ko sa taas. Bali, naglilinis ako sa dalawang room while si Raiden naglalaro sa isang room sa taas. Kasi 3 rooms yun. Tapos na ako lahat-lahat. Nakapag-hoover na ako, wipe, and then mopping, pati sa hagdan. Dito na ulit ako sa baba. Hindi ko na kayo nakasama kanina kasi hassle kasi lagi pang grumpy kapag naglalaro. Tapos hindi naaayon sa kanya yung nilalaro niya. Umiiyak siya. So yun. Continue na ako sa paglilinis, loves. Don't make racist my story. Gusto sa mga explain eh. Hi, loves! Tapos na tayo maglinis. Tapos na yung, tapos na yung taas. Tapos na rin yung baba. Lahat-lahat ng rooms. Tapos na pati yung toilet. Nakapag-mop na ako, nakapag-wipes na ako, lahat na nakapaglinis na ako. Ngayon maghugas na lang ako ng pinggan at magwawash ng sarili ko. And then, I'll tell you later. So, yun loves. Magpunta kami ng shop after neto, tapos diretso kami ng dental ni Raiden. So, yun. Mag-asikaso lang ako, loves. Yung mag-ama ko nasa living room, pinagpi-play ko silang dalawa kasi sabi ko naglilinis ako. Kailangan ko ng space, kailangan ko ng yung makapag-focus ako. So, yun yan. Nakapaglinis na ako, nakapag-wipes na ako. Yes. So, yun, loves. Dito na kami sa shop, loves. Punta muna kami ng farm foods dito sa shop. Bago kami punta ng dental. Madali lang kami dito. Quick lang to, quick. Kuha lang kami ng meat. Yes. Loves, tingnan mo, nakahanap kami ng siya, nag-sale siya, olive tree. Siya, 17 pound. And then, price is life. How about grapes, babe? He likes grapes. Raiden, excuse me. Let's try this one. Cranberries and raisins. And then, what's this? Banana cheese. Let's ask Daddy. Come on, let's ask Daddy. Hey, Daddy, can we buy this, please? Daddy say yes. So let's put in the basket. Let's put in the basket. Here, come on here. Come here. And come on here. Let's find some pork belly. Para pag nagsinigang tayo. Mga ganito. Pork belly slice. Siyempre gusto natin yung may mga taba-taba, di ba? Kasi yung taba is life. Pork belly. Kuha tayo ng egg, loves. Ano to? Nabasag na. Uy. Ano nangyari dito? Mga basag na. Let's check it one by one because minsan basag yung loob. Sorry?
Do we still have soil?
Soil? Yes, we have.
How much?
One bag, but this I just take little bit there. But it's not half a
Full
bag.
bag, half bag.
No, it's
less
not
than
half.
that.
Not half a bag, even more, half.
More than half.
Yes.
So not less than half, more than half.
Yes, more than half.
Okay. We need to find some big pots for. You don't have storage. There's no space there.
Hey, Dan. Huh?
Check your list again.
Hey, Daddy here. Daddy's here.
Cell number 2,
Here,
please.
here, here. It's okay now. I don't have any. Yes.
In pawn shop maybe.
Bayad na kami, loves.
Till number 2, please.
Now, let's unpack this.
Right.
Cabana.
So is accept this visit like it's been done. He put this deed. He asked me to sign it. That he been instructed about how to brush, what to use. That he sees and you know how he's doing his job. The next visit also we will be with him.
Yeah. November.
Yeah. And November. Yeah. November. They're gonna send me text message. Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, Mr. Slow down, okay?
Nakalabas na kami galing dental. Tawag niya. It's alright. Hindi siya masyado na-check kasi nga umiiyak siya eh. Umiiyak. Loves, bahay na kami. Mag-haul tayo ng binili. Ayun, Loves. Before kami mag-dentist, nag-shopping kami sa dalawang shop. And then, dentist. Hindi nga lang si Raiden masyado na-check. Same as always. Kasi nga, nangingilala pa siya. Tapos, sinasanay pa namin siya eh. Pero na-check naman siya. Hindi nga lang yung super. Okay naman yung teeth niya, okay naman lahat-lahat. At least meron siyang dental check-up every 3 months or 6 months, ganun. So yun, unpack lang tayo nitong mga pinamili. So galing kaming polish shop and local shop. Siya pang fish marinade siya.
Okay, hi love. Can you help me with this?
Coffee. Tissue. Kasi wala na kaming tissue.
Water, yeah. And mommy say, oh,
Watermelon. Some veggies. And pork belly. Slice. And then steak. Fruits. I need fruits. Mixed veg for Raiden. Are you crying? Who's crying? Yeah, who's crying? Bread. Fries. And sweet potato, kamote. So I have strawberry here and blueberry. And grapes. Si Raiden kasi matakaw sa fruits.
and
then some
banana,
peppermint-
and pears,
peppermint
and
tea.
orange.
Bakit ba yung ko parang...
Parang ko. Baka mo
Look, banana chips, love. Cranberries. Whoop! Rice is life!
Oh!
Pili pala kami nito, love, so. Crispy chicken wings, ready na siya. I-air fry mo lang siya. Hindi naman siya fina-fry sa oil. Air fry lang. Masarap siya. Tingnan mo tong toys ni Raiden. Turtle and then car. Alam mo naman yung mga bata, pagka nasa shop, lagi na lang bit kuha dito, kuha dyan. Kano rin? 1 pound. 1 pound, 1 pound. Raiden is really smart. You see the camera.
Hi guys. Hi guys.
Hi, hi, Nako Raiden. Oh, what is that? It's okay. You can play now there. Play. Yeah, it's alright. You can play now.
Calendar. Planning, mommy.